Social Peta Spy Service Review Watch. Before using, most people get ad spy tools wrong. They assume they are only for large agencies or that data is outdated. The surprising truth about Social Peta is that it provides real-time ad intelligence, deep insights into competitor campaigns, and you won't believe how much it can help your marketing strategy. Here's how it works. Social Peta tracks ads across social media platforms, e-commerce sites, and app stores. Users can filter by ad type, industry, location, and performance metrics to see what's working and what isn't. It also analyzes creatives, copywriting, and engagement to help you reverse engineer successful campaigns. For example, an e-commerce brand launching a new product can see which competitors' Facebook and Instagram ads are generating engagement, identify trending creatives, and optimize their own campaigns. Most people get this wrong. They think ad spy tools just show visuals, but Social Peta provides actionable insights for strategy, targeting, and ROI improvement. Additional features include trend analysis, creative inspiration, campaign notifications, and audience targeting data. Users praise its comprehensive database, user-friendly interface, and ability to spark new campaign ideas. However, there are considerations. Access to premium data can be expensive, and some smaller platforms may have limited coverage. Most people assume it guarantees success. Data is guidance, not a magic formula. In conclusion, Social Peta is ideal for marketers, advertisers, and agencies who want to stay competitive, track trends, and optimize ad performance with data-driven insights. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing and ad intelligence tools.